Guys, good morning, you guys. What else left for me to do? Teeth for brush, lashes. I'm put on my lashes, on my lash glue, on the tweezer. Good morning, guys. Lash glue and tweezer. Hi, good morning. Good morning, guys. I have some really good news to share with you. Good morning. And I also want to say this as well. The reason why I keep on going live is so that you guys know I'm okay. 1, 2, how I'm, all right, I don't want to be negative, but it's whenever I'm in a really good headspace or when I'm coming back from something, like it's like adrenaline. So, so it's like, shit, I got shot. This black kid sitting, hold on there. So it's like adrenaline. Me if I start out the dresser. Yeah, so it's like adrenaline. So it's like the initial shock of everything. Hold on, don't time nothing yet, guys. Hold on. Them now see a latte. The phone they close to my chest. Yeah. Alright, so that they have bad spot remover. Yay, happy with it. Right, so I'm gonna put on my lashes. Just lashes alone. So first of all, El Diva. Yeah, thank you, Mama. This is her. Yeah. So oh, my shirt is from Keisha Closet. I go and post and stuff with the stuff. But yeah, so whenever I'm coming back from something, I always like the initial, I think it's adrenaline. I was saying initially, like I come back, like I'm seemingly okay and stuff, but then after a couple of days I crash, meaning after a couple of days the initial reaction that everybody expected me to have is what I have. You see me? So whenever I've said this to you guys before, you know, whenever I'm having like a good day or whenever I'm in like good spirits, I like to post because those days, are like a dime a dozen, you know. I'm going to put my lashes on. Lashes on. Ooh, oh. Chicky, booty for the lashes. Okay, these are the lashes I'm going to be putting on. This is bad wine from my girl. I'm going to tag her as well. Good morning. Alright, so watch party. Alright, so talk to me, guys. Ask me some questions if you want. Oh no, I have something for telling you. Alright, so remember when I had asked for help, right? How much on the 600 on upon a live, and somebody has screen record. I'm still having classes in Florida. I have a class today. And I don't know why she did that, because whenever who is that? I am that hairstylist. I don't know why she did that because I didn't call anybody's name. Remember, I'm not calling nobody's name, nothing at all. But she wanted to make herself public, and that's exactly what she did. But it's not going well for her. She shouldn't have done that. She should not have done that. And at one point, you guys, I said blood cleanse. Somebody must obey me. Legit, that's where I know so often I believe in obey, but not this girl at Jamaica me come from, and I've seen some things, I've heard some things. I say they must sense me to. But then I recognize it would seem as if like I'm always in drama, always problematic, but that's because I put my shit out there. People are going through worse than me, people are going through more than me, but you'll never know because they don't put their shit out there. So it would seem as if like that tweezer, yeah. It would seem as if like everything is going okay for them or they're making it, when the truth is they're not, isn't it? I've voiced out and video she has sent me on. She crosses. I really don't care. I haven't even watched it or listened to it or whatever. I really don't care. The truth is she was a friend, and with any friend you would share things with them, and because she was a friend, you mix the lies with the truth so it seems believable. You mix the lies with the truth so it seems believable. So some things are the truth and some things are blatant lies. One thing I want to address, because people keep on asking me, and it's the only thing I'm going to address, I'm going to move on. People I could not have students come to the house for classes. Remember, I told you guys I had to be going to the hotel to do the classes. I had to be going to the students' house to do the classes. So if I could not bring students into the house to do the classes, where I was making money, why would I then carry a man in the house? Think about it. I couldn't carry students for the classes, but I could carry man in your house. Man in your house. That's bullshit. But because, as me say, like, she mix things, mama, I'm gonna go for my something. Because she mix things, it seems believable. And that, you see, that narrative will then have it plausible in everybody's eyes. Oh, that's why me that kick her out. She be right. Take care of me for come effing in my yard. She be right. So lyric can't get her or sitting nowhere else. So that's believable. That is way more believable. And that's why she did it that way. Because it's believable. But that's a blatant lie. And she has cameras in her house. And I give her permission to post when the man come in your yard. Post it. I'll post when I'm naked to rat it. Because let's be honest, at this point, hold on, may I come. Yeah, I really did consider her my friend, because she even did my classes in Florida. And if you go back on my Lyric International page, I think I posted it on, or here, you'd see me and her. Me even did a snap. Did reach a dog. I just felt like she wanted it to be a big thing, because we never call her name, but you gotta call her name. I said, alright then, what's the aim of this? For like get clout? And I've never experienced clout chasing as heavy as this. As I said, I haven't watched any videos of it or listened to anything, because I know my headspace stay. I can't make my headspace F up. You're mad? You're mad? I'm have to call the boys. I'm have in a good space when I talk to the boys. Are you nuts? But yo, alright, so good news. My heart a beat fast. Good news. Remember when I asked you guys for help, right? Help, because I was stranded at the airport or whatever. I'm not gonna say this to you now. 900 and add on the pandis. And I'm gonna say this to you right now. I'm just gonna put my own shit out there. I was over $600,000 in debt. Lyric in debt. I had no money, nothing. And as I tell you, say me and Kay, that I'm a sponsor, me and I come from blood cleanse far from a meter. And Kay Binala help me, my mother help me, my grandmother help me. Oh, I tell you, say, before I come up, guys, Mama there for buy Pampers for Jalil for me, because I never have no money for buy Pampers for Jalil. Never have no money. Mama tell me, say, Jalil Pampers done. I said, Jesus Christ. At that time, I'm on to the airport. And I say, Mama just make him put on brief and like anything, you see me? She said, no man, I asked Claudia for buy the Pampers for me. I said, Mama, but me not. She said, no, Simon, just go up there and get where you can get. Me say, Mama, as me get money, I send down come gear here. As me get money, I go send down come gear. She said, no man, don't worry about it. And that time I said, my grandmother and my mother have similar personalities. You see me, so we rub each other the wrong way all the time. Because we're similar. And we, in our feelings, we're very emotional. And if she give me bad vibes, she give me bad vibes. It's me I get bad vibes, me I get bad vibes. You see me? So that's just how we are. And when me tell you, say, as much as my mother go back and forth, you see, if me say, mommy, my mother, I gotta get that shit done. Same to with my grandmother. You see me? And them something there. You see, unless me feel that with somebody, you're not even my friend or like nothing. You see me? It's like you're dead to me. Cleanse them lashes are just bad wine. So now when people ask me, I have on, I forgot so. They must say, so what you have on, Pele? Oh, I like your lashes. What are they called? And then I go confused, but I let my van. And I forget them a bad wine. I said, I can't get them a bad wine. Because it ain't bad wine. So my friend is, what are you wearing? What are you wearing? What are you wearing? What do you... girl, you not pay attention. You know, because maybe not tell you what I have on my eye, but you not look. You not look. You not listen. You not know. Blood cleanse. One thing about a lash glue, it's sticking out, you know. So you try itch it pan where you want itch it pan. As if you go by your skin dog name your rat, it's up. That shit not coming off. And because I have on lashes too, I'm like putting the lashes on top of the lashes. So it's like it's a itch on my skin. I'll put this side as well. Okay. Make it get look a bit tacky. Then but yeah. Yeah guys, so I know I'm like debt free, and that shit feels so good. That shit feels so good. It feels so good for just like, and it not even matter if I have money left back. Like me not even care if I have money left back. I just want to say me pay off my mother, my grandmother. Me pay off some of me owe from 2019. You see me? And it's just an amazing feeling. Also, for those of you who have reached out to me and like saying, Lyric, you can stay here. Honestly, unless it's like a family member, like with Latino, it's difficult for me to accept. You see me? And the reason why it's difficult for me to accept, it's because of who I am as a person. I am naively trusting. That's me. So if I'm in a space, like me I go reason with it, because in my mind I don't want to be in your house and I'm standoffish. To me that's disrespectful. 1, 2, I'm naturally look how me it's so easy to talk to, no? I saw me stay naturally. Like that is how I am naturally. So I don't know. It's difficult for me sometimes like to differentiate. I'm too easily trusting, but then I'm as equally me cut you off just as easily. So as much as me trust you, me cut you off. And it would seem as if I don't give a shit. It would seem as if I was being hypocritical. But no, I did trust you at one point, and no, I don't trust you. You see me? So if we need to like cut somebody or like move on, dog, like it will be done like quickly. You get what I say? It's going to be done sooner than later. You see me? So I don't know what else to say. Hold on there. I'm gonna push down this. You not see me? This me do use. Why don't I just say all of my secrets? I have my student today at 1, but I asked me to push it back for 2. I have to go Staples. I have to print off the certificate them. I have 2 certificates I need to print off and send go back to New York. And I have 2 or 3 students that paid for the certified course. Yeah, I need to get tea tree oil for my nose. Come tell me get back the acom or the scarring. So I'm gonna put tea tree oil on that. What else? Yeah, I'm safe. I know these lashes are like these lashes are heavy. Yeah, these lashes are heavy. But I don't know. And I'm like the best Christian in the world, and even though I go through my shit and I cope, me just can't renounce. I never renounce Jesus and say I'm a Christian, because me can't do it. Because I'm telling them, hey, you see, before I come up, I'm going to go do this. So I'm going to buy some cheap like hot girl sleeping clothes, like for $7 so. But yeah, before I come up, the Monday before the week before I came up, the Friday morning, something had happened. I'm going to start ball. I remember said I hardly talk to God, so I'm afraid for asking for things. And I was sharing that with Kavan. I'm going to start, so alright then. So the morning, I'm going to the bathroom by myself. I'm going to just start ball. I'm going to say, God, bitch, don't you cry, ho. I'm going to say, God, I know I'm going to talk to you. My relationship is not where it was, but I need your help. And that's when I'm thinking something did happen. I'm gonna have to pay out more money again. And I said, Jesus, God, more money again. I think something like that did happen. And I just start ball, dog, like ball. You see me? And the following day I talked to Kavan, and I said, Kavan, like I know, and it's so weird. I call Kavan and I said, Kavan, like I'm to talk to God, as in, excuse me, I'm not like the Christian that I was. And I do this in air quotes because that's the mindset. You see, once you do certain things that you were told to do, being a Christian, in your mind, you're no longer a Christian. But I'm never, ever going to renounce him, ever. I cannot renounce him at all. I can't say I'm a Christian, you see me? But it's like I lost how to communicate with God. I said, come on, me can't even ask the man for help, is it me? Cause dog, this somebody like me need help, dog. I'm not wait for the him say Simon. It's like you talk to me now, I saw you for talk to me. Remember, these are things that I've known, but because of everything that's happened, it skewed how I saw God. It skewed how I interacted with him. It really messed up how I saw him and who he is now to me. It's because I was taught that is either God or the devil. And if you're not doing something for God, you're doing it for the devil. But I don't want to do anything for the devil, you see me? But then even the scripture, when I think it was Paul who said, the things I want to, the things I don't want to do, I that I find myself doing. The things I should have do, I that I don't want to do. But Paul was a man of God. Is it me? I think Paul come from crucifying Christians. Can you imagine? In them days there, when you kill off Christians, Sammy strokes different. What? This is all God like you said. Sammy, wait. What happened? What happened? Tammy, I tell you, mother, what am I for do? When I have to talk to me now, what you mean? Okay, wait, let me see what she's saying. Tammy, why not? Tammy, Uno can still believe in a God? Oh, Tammy, that sounds like it's when you see people make them comment there, it's not for you, it's more for them and how they see themselves. So let's say she has a specific idea of what a Christian is and you're not doing what she thinks you should be doing, then in her mind, you're no longer Christian. Her comment has nothing to do with me, guys, or you. It's just her outlook. Nothing. Because remember when Jesus walked the earth, he walked with people that nobody agreed with. When the woman came and washed his feet, the disciples even said, no, you shouldn't be doing that. And the thieving man Judas did say, yeah, because the money can use for this and that. And the Bible instead said, the Bible specifically said, Judas did never want to use the money for no whatever because he's been stealing from the money. And that the Bible say. God also used a donkey to talk to Balaam. When Balaam, the man of God, could not see the angel, God caused demon for going up cattle. The things that Jesus did here when he was on earth they're not a one-off instance. He kept people in his circle that were questionable. He kept people in his circle that were prostitutes. Yo, you ready?
No. Yannick Williams send 125.
Yeah, when she send that?
Just now?
Yannick Williams. Alright then, cool. July rotted. That means I want certified class. Alright then, you get an email in a Zelle when them do that, sir? Okay, alright then. I have to reach out to one girl named Yannick. Yeah, so when you see comments like that, don't make it phase, You think me not know say where I am now is not where I want to be, but I do not want to move. I just said that for me, I know I shouldn't be here, but I just don't want to move. I do not want to move, and I don't want to move because I've been living a particular way and I still end up in a shit. I've been doing what I was supposed to be doing, I'm still end up in a shit. I was talking to somebody last night and him said, yo, do you forgive your ex-husband? I said, no. Lati! Rude girl, remember Rude girl Shorty from the class? You remember Rude girl Shorty from the class? Yeah, she said hi. She said hi. Yeah. What was I saying? Yeah, and him asked me if I've ever forgive. I'm say no, I'll never forgive him. I'm say I was taught that forgiveness means to put the person in a position where it's like they never harmed you, to interact with them like they never harmed you. So it's like you've given them a promotion even though they've done you wrong. I'm say I'll never do that to him. So I will never forgive him. And I'm say I am so sorry because he's from here. He's from, he's from like, the States or whatever. I don't say that, but yeah, so he must say I don't want to offend you, but that's really messed up teaching. And when him say it, I say, well, if I never put back German to me, yeah, I forgive him then. Alright then, yeah, I forgive him. I forgive both him and Crystal and anybody else who he had sex with. Alright then, yeah, I forgive him. Because I was taught that I had to put them at a particular, and I'm like, I will never do that. I will never do that shit. Are you mad? Oh, you mad? Are you insane, my boy? But yeah, so yeah. I don't know if I've forgiven him, but I can openly say, yeah, I forgive him, but I have to say what happened. I need lessons in forgiveness. I forgot to start some some preacher man with forgiveness. And even with that too, like it's like it's difficult for me to watch sermons, because in my mind I'm just like, wonder if the money was real man of God, wonder if the money I go through things, and that shouldn't be going through my mind, but it's just difficult to even trust the words that's coming from like these people based on what I've been through. I'm not saying for you, you know, I'm saying based of what I've been through. It's a process. God forgives so we can forgive too. Yeah, I mean, that's cute to hear and to say, but when it comes down to actually forgiving somebody, there are people watching me right now who struggle with forgiveness. There are people watching me right now who understand exactly what I mean. They've been violated, they've been beaten, they've been abused, they've been abandoned by people that they trusted their lives with. Their children have been violated by people that they trusted their lives with. Their livelihood has been in danger because of people they trust. They understand me. So the people them who I say, you know, you have to forgive or God will forgive you, that's cute. That's real cute. But me, Simone, Latanya, unfortunately still name Henry. But we're gonna change it to Rochester. So let's just say Simone, Latanya, Rochester. It is a struggle. Simone, Latanya, Rochester is saying, I'm not gonna forgive you. And you people will say, oh, you know, forgiveness is not for you, it's not for the other person, it's for you. We know this. All of us know this. We know this. Forgiveness is not for them, it's for us. We know this, but that is how deep the flipping pain goes. Them never thief my lash, them never thief my perfume. My life was violated. I was told that I was a problem for years by people I trusted my life and the children with. In my book, that is unforgivable. But no, I am like way further in saying I forgive you. I can say I forgive him because it feels right now, but I have to say like how I interact, because I have no respect for him whatsoever. And because I have no respect for him whatsoever, I go off really easy, so I don't communicate with him anymore. I don't. And based on what happened the last time, I ceased communication with him, so I only speak with him through a friend. I don't. Even when everything did pop off with me over the weekend, they messaged me and asked me if I'm okay. I did not even respond, because in my mind, like, I send it up and then mother in our crevice. Don't ask me shit. Do not ask me shit. Don't ask me nothing. Do not ask me anything. Sonny talking to me. Well, and what Sonny can say? Oh, I'm look down, I see certain things. And people keep on saying I'm strong. I'm telling you now, you see, when I get to, like, no, whenever, I think it's the adrenaline, I scroll up for see what Sonika say. Lyric doesn't see all the messages. DM me if she hasn't replied. Yeah, and it's super important. Yeah, that's true. I have problems with forgiveness too. See, Stacy.exo25. Yeah, and it's because that's what we've been taught. And then for us who don't forgive people, we don't feel like we're being poisoned, because I was taught that when you don't forgive, it's like you drink poisonous water and hoping the person would die. But me now wishing it ill, I just will never see you the same way, and I've moved on from you. But, and somebody can help me. Maybe let talk always let it out. Yeah, so let's talk always let it out. Yeah, and that's why I can be debt free sitting in front of you right now, because I did speak. Because what happened to me is embarrassing. This is somebody I trusted with information with only her, and she's now spreading it. Why am I smiling? She's now spreading it all over the place. I haven't heard, but I heard that there's some voice notes going around, and I don't give two shits, because I don't know it's a dog yellow would talk. But as I say, I have what my life now, it has to be given to you in a particular way, because people then will come for me and what I believe in. And if I go come for me and like say me I'm a Christian, that hurt me. Because I know I'm not being the perfect representation of God, but I cannot let him go. In a matter what I do, in a matter of my sexual orientation, I cannot let him go. And that's why Jesus' heart did reach out to people. Because and the same people them did crucify me, remember? The same people them where demon come out of them, who for suddenly the same one them watch him be crucified. And people always say, you know, if they did that, them never do that to Jesus. You don't know what the times was at that time. Suppose if it did talk out, them kill you and your entire family. You don't know what those people had to be hiding from. But my point is this: he helped you, and you couldn't help him. How the hell me? If I say, yo, F Jesus, screw this. Yep, I've been there though. I've been there. I must say this a friggery. What's the point of being this Christian person if I this maga end up with? That's why I know. I say I know where I am is not where I should be or want to be, but I don't want to move because I've been the good girl for so long. I've been the wife for so long, and me still end up in a shit. But two scripture keep me. One, what is done in the dark has to come in the light, and I think that's why I'm so naturally open. Two, God will never leave you and will never forsake you. Do you know what that scriptures mean? It means that if you sell your crutches, him not left and forsake you. It means if you shoot drugs, him not left and it means if you're gonna beat it, him not gonna left and forsake you, because he understands loneliness. When Jesus was in the Garden of Gethsemane, he understood loneliness. The Bible says his tears were like drops of blood, and he believes that real. I believe that he had gotten to a point physically where he had no more tears left, or whatever gland produces tears, and all the fluid that was left was blood for come from the man yai, and a dirty ball. I believe that. When some pastors preach say, but that's not what it means, it's no, dog. If the Bible said him tears that were as a blood, and it said as blood, so maybe it was kind of red or orangish, but whatever the chemical is for tears, it gone. In that moment, I think it was when I was on the cross, and he said, why have you forsaken me? In that moment, he understood loneliness. So that's why Jesus said he will never leave you nor forsake you, because he understands what that feels like. And the people, because I continue to share my story, people like Sonique are in my life. People like Andreen and Kavan will know me and know exactly what I go through. And those are even Auntie Simone. And those are people I consider to be like Christians. And them know exactly what I go through. And if them can welcome me like that, and them people in my life. If me can, when I share my story with you, and if some of you decide to stick around, that is God saying to me, I'll never leave you nor forsake you. It is real. Loneliness will kill you. Loneliness will kill you. Loneliness is worse than depression. Remember me, blows and skirt tell you that. Loneliness is worse than depression. Worse than depression, dog. So this is what happened to me now. I don't give two shits. I really don't. I have bigger things to do. Jonathan said he want to go on plane. So I have to make sure I can buy my son ticket if he go on plane. Jonathan said, Mommy, I don't want to go to the hotel. I want to go back to the villa. But for me, just want to go back. I can't carry my son to the villa. I have bigger things. It's me care what people say about me. I'm a nice, clean. I don't give two shits. I really don't. And I cannot wait to share everything with you guys. It just has to be done in a particular way. But I'm gonna every time I know a beer ball me a ball. But it's just real, and that's why I said me can't give up on God. I mean, I don't feel the Holy Spirit how I usually feel him. Is me, and that's because I'm not in this place where I should be, or that's what I was taught. I was taught that if you're not in a particular space or place that you can't feel the Holy Spirit, even though the Bible says I'll never leave you nor forsake you, and that I will send a comforter. I don't know, but maybe that's wrong teaching too. I don't know, but that's what I mean. So maybe it's wrong teaching, but based off of that, I'm like, oh, I'm not feeling the Spirit because, I'm a sinner. You know what I mean? Is it like when everything they pop off, dog, nobody not cause bad word like me, Every breathe is a bad word. No, I can't tell when last I cause a bad word. Oh no, yesterday. Never mind. Yesterday. Was it? No. It was the day before yesterday. Yesterday? I can't remember. It's not, yesterday. Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. I don't remember. But yeah. Yeah. One of them. Is it a Sunday or yesterday? My course, but I don't remember. But I'm coming from, and then it's like I'm making strides, but it's like God is being patient with me. And what Kavan said to me is that, Simone, God know your heart. Him know say no one be this little dirty stinking drunk. It will not his exact words, but him know. And Kavan is a pastor. Kavan is a youth pastor at Fellowship Tabernacle Kingston. Big up Kavan and him nice clean wife Keisha from House of Clay. If y'all want to get your wedding dresses made and shit, your elegant gowns made and shit, you need to go to House of Clay. If you're not at House of Clay, then where are you at? Yeah. And talking to you guys to help me. And talking to you, it helps you. Talking, like, when you watch my live, it helps you because people have been sharing my lives. People are saying, yo, one girl named Lyric, yo, she popular. And dog, me feel like they obiar. Because they want a thing she go through. Or every minute Lyric go live and she have man problem, she have friend problem. I don't know, she should just stop exist. It's one or two. But either way, when you talk about me, good or bad, people are going to still research. When they come research me, and look, I've gotten over 500 people in the last couple of days, in the last day. Over 500. Why are they following me? Because them say, man, I want drunk. Prince Alex. Oh, yes, Alex. I go WhatsApp you when I'm done. I'm done. WhatsApp you. Bad word can cause sometimes. If God forgive me. Yo, bro, I'm telling you, I'd gotten to a place where it was like a second language, isn't it? And I was like, it's just not what I want to be doing now in my life. Yeah, you ready? Oh, fire reach. You can come in, you know? You have on clothes? I'm not reach far. I'm so I forgot to brush my teeth then. I'm not about to brush my teeth. I'm going to have one mask. You see, there's the things that we can do in this mask. I'm not brush my teeth, you know? If I don't want to, I don't gotta. I'm not going to brush my teeth. You can smell it. But it stinks. They can't tell. I'm an international super spy. Super spy. I'm not brushing teeth. That's one of them things there. Love listening to me. Love sir. Do they fix, baby? They fix wedding dresses. They fix elegant dresses. They fix everything, honey. Like what? Your panty wants to go. Oh, it's not clean. Your brazier strap mash up. Girl, go. Oh, it's not clean. For all your clot desires. Were you there? Right, that's what she. I'm not brushing teeth, Jukal. I'm not a. I'm not brushing.
Say this the hot.
Eh? Blood cleanse latte. Let's see, you're ready for a zombie apocalypse. Alright, this right there. You right, so she zombie apocalypse. Zombie in believing in the zombie apocalypse. Let me tell you something about Simone. There's certain things I believe in, like I'm believing in Jesus. One, I believe in the zombie apocalypse. Two, I believe in mermaids. I don't believe in aliens. I believe that aliens are more like demons or stuff, like putting themselves into different forms or whatever. Yeah, I don't believe in extra. I don't believe that there are other planets. Shut up. I don't want to hear it. Shut up. I don't want to hear it. I don't believe in other planets. And I believe the earth is flat. Whatever, bite me. I don't give a care. I don't give a shit. That's what I'm saying what I say. Like everything I tumble down to right here. I said what I said, nigga. It's flat. I'm gonna brush my teeth. I'm gonna brush my teeth on live. Cause somebody when I post my picture up today, somebody got fresh themselves and say, Lyric, I brush your teeth. So I'm gonna show the same. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Eat that. Peer pressure. Lati, why your toothpaste black? Wanna have regular toothpaste up here? Why your toothpaste black? Girl, you shoot chocolate for a panty, chocolate for a face. When that toothpaste grey. What am I for do now? I just remember it stink. My mouth got confused. My mouth got think I get one facial. And that's what got me now. My mouth got say, are we getting a facial? Because this is charcoal. I don't know what's going on. Take them, I'll go here. Take them, go to drop out. No, I'll just. You know that? Oh. You not feel no difference with the pang. Charcoal I want hype. Right now, I'm not brush my teeth, I give my mouth a facial. Because charcoal for face. Everybody know this. Everybody know this. You're crazy. You're crazy, man. Hold on then. I'm brushing teeth with charcoal. Charcoal. We never get an arm and do white cool game. Why? See it there, brush. And I'm not saying, I'm come back in the room. Oh, no, sir, Annie. When I talk about why my mouth so wide. And that's what I say now. Makes me feel it in my spirit. So somebody come up on my wide mouth. But what? Look, mouth open wide door. Right? That's what she. Stop it. Remember, I'm a singer. So I like, you know, I know how to sing on a microphone. This is what I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Like, remember, I sing. So, you know, I sing on the microphone, you have to. And I remember? Throat. Mr. Saying. I don't like that, but you know, not judge me. And I make assumptions. I'm not like that. I have a charcoal toothpaste that I'm currently using. It makes my mouth feels good and your teeth extra white. Trisha, not lie, I tell. That can't make charcoal can't make your mouth feel good and teeth extra white. If you use regular things, regular toothpaste like everybody else. Okay, guys. Thank you so much, baby. I'm gonna go now, okay? Shit, my phone not dead. I buy the charger, yeah. Come on, the charger didn't match up. Wait, I buy it. T-Mobile, right? T-Mobile. We rated $19 to blouse and skirt. Charger fully freight. It not charge fast. It don't hold the charge. And the other charge by a Jamaica $5,000, which is way more expensive than the T-Mobile one. It make my phone stay charge long. The one I not do that. The one is a country time your phone start dead. I'm not like that. Now come going on here. Right, guys. Shoshana, I'm not ready today. I don't believe. I do not believe you. I believe in a mermaid and zombies, but I don't believe that charcoal toothpaste can make it. This not count. Come my teeth always right. This not count. It smell good, but that no count. No, that no count. If you use Armanama, like a regular human being, if you use Colgate, with a white Colgate, like a regular human being, or pink, where the pink Colgate I go, and the blue Colgate, girl, no, it's for white. Okay, guys, bye. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna save this live as well, so you guys can watch it. Can't go up. Bye, guys. Thank you for your support, Shana K. Hello, Kapita. Shana K, if you comment, she said she'll deal with the store for you when you get back in JA. What? So make she email me. What's your name? Shana K. Shana K.3. Jesus Christ. Shana K.3. Can you comment on my Instagram page? No. So it a go last. Cause I posted yesterday. I mean, I try like follow everybody with comment. Dog, over 1,000 comments. I'm like, I can't do this. I started, but I was like, this is too much. I can't do this, Lord. Shana K.3. I'm not see it now. Shana K.3. If you're still on the live, email me lyricmua@hotmail.com. Check DM. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Try to go and check it. Alright then, so I will come. Oh, see you there, Shana K.3. Report comment, pin comment, go live with Shana K. Hide live video from. When would I hide it? Okay, I'm gonna screenshot you. it. Alright then, cool. Alright then, bye guys. I'm gonna save the live here. See you later. The shots just squeeze up my front. Kind of so when girl fat, you know. I have to put it down. So when girl just say. I swear, I'm gonna be on the outskirts of heaven explaining to other people why they can't go in. Because there are others like me, you know. Others that are like me. So I'm gonna explain. I'm not sure, I'm gonna explain to them. But then I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna say, come, you can't go over this. So why? Mama tell you, come. We are one in the same. And you can't go in. But we're there, you know. But we can't go in because, come in. Back on earth, what we used to do, and I'm never gonna explain to them why we can't go in. Come up on the outside with Madia. Or, you know, so always say, well, also, we're gonna sell juice, we're gonna sell Alo, and we're gonna sell wings half, you see me? Granted, under the real wings, but we're for hustle. You know, them way they were out there and so say, wings. Wings, 3 tiers by a wings, 3 tiers. Goal. 4 tiers by a goal, 4 tiers by a goal. Hello, by a baby. Hello, over here, so. Me that you know, I even sell wings, hello, and goal, and milk. Milk, come before it spoil. Milk, just give me 1 tier because the milk I got half for the milk, half, yeah. Milk are only that a double. Girl times hard is double. Don't do that. What then one? Come be enough we now can go in. Some have to help out. Who can go in? Or else some have even milk, honey. What else you can sell out there? I forgot to read my Bible. I see what else you can sell. Can hustle up. Milk, honey, hello, wings, robe. Me must go cut off Jesus here. Dina, he will boot me out, you know. I feel that's like one deal, like a drugs deal, like a drugs deal. Yo, you have the thing. Drugs. Me must cut the man wax after me not Delilah. Oh, me not Delilah. It's raining. That's crazy. I need to go. My student comes in 2 hours. I'm still here. I have to go Staples first. Rotted off my next tea. I forget. Boiled egg. Why them want boiled egg? I even not fish. Oh yeah, me can say what you wine? Me can sell wine. Cause Jesus turn water and wine. Me can tell him say I this him turning at what? Yeah, the fish from the multitude. The fish from the multitude. The fish from the multitude over here. The fish from the multitude over here. So yeah, girl. No, me not have sprat. It just name fish. And I want fish, so anything, if I take it up, you want to be sprat, a sprat. If you want to be parrot, a parrot. If you want to be barracuda, barracuda. I want to be a sardine, I just fish. Come on, so the Bible never specify what kind of fish. So I have to just say fish, and make when them take it up, it be where they want them to be. You have to think, you know, guys. When you read in the Bible, you have to think. You have to think about them someday. Sandals, 7 tiers by a sandals, half, 7 tiers by a sandals, miss with don't have your size. If you wear shoes in their earth, you have to wear barefoot. You have a condition. Your foot big bottom, not like, I have a size. Her foot big now. Oh, shallow. We don't have a size. Godzilla, we don't have it. Faja goods. Robe. Yeah, girl. We still robe already. We still robe. What else you can sell? I have to go find something to say. But now, I feel like we're going to go in. We're going to go on the outside. We're going to heaven. And that's good enough for me. I feel like we're going all now. Someone upon this. We're not going inside, you know. We're not going inside that blouse and skirt. We're not going to out there out there with me and sell. We're going to like see what I'm upon. All now I can go in. But we're going to heaven. That's all. We're going to up there. It's cool. We're going to feel the AC from the gate. That's good. I'm good with that, yeah. But I'm going to go now, you guys. Bye-bye. Jesus slippers. Mona, you're not going to have rotted. You're going to tip a man slippers and sell it. Mona, what have to talk about this? So, Mona, you're going to tip the man slippers and sell it. Just like that. So, I'm not going to say, Mr. Mona, I'm not going to say, Daddy, you see my slippers? I'm not going to It's not going to be so. It's not going to be so. So, my girl, let's say I walk barefoot. If my girl, let's say I walk barefoot, Mona, I'm not like that for you, my love. Mona, I have to watch you. I don't know. I have to watch you. Mona, I can't sell the same place, Mona. I can't do things. I can't get catch. I say, well, hustling, you know, and a black market. We can't a lot of things, Mona. We find regular things for sale. Wings can't easily. Remember saying, I feel like the wings, them get new wing and new wing. Wing them can't sell off, Mama. Yeah, for mess, maybe the halo, maybe the light I got dull upon the halo. We can get the dull halo, them and sell them back. Yes, I feel like part of ever. Girl, we have to make this. We have to come together as a unit and say what we have to sell. You know what I mean? We have a name. Look, all my day live, I need to go. I need to go. But as much if I don't come live again later on today, I'm going to just to make the notes up with me via Snapchat and here on what's this called? And stories. Yeah, I plug in back the battery, I plug in back my charger. So yeah. Alright, you guys. Bye.